while, finally we are coming to an end with our series on the mechanism of binary trading. We've touched down on commodities, we've touched down on crypto, we've touched down on binary assets, we've touched down on indices, and now we are wrapping it up with stocks. I mean, everybody must have heard about stocks in their life, either in the world of finance, or somewhere else, and we are going to be trading live using the stocks assets on Polarium Broker. My name is Kolade Daniel, and with me in the studio is
Shola.
of course. And if you're here to join our communities on social media via Telegram and WhatsApp, make sure you do that following the links right there showing on your screen, so you can connect with other traders and you guys can, join our community and, get access to all the latest development from us and also in the world of trading. So, of course, we don't need to explain what stocks are, but we need to explain how trading on stocks work on the Polarium Broker platform, and Shola will just be doing that briefly.
Yeah, as we already know that after we log in, we'll come to this drop down for options, then we'll come to stocks, and there are hundreds here, and
about 246.
246
Yeah.
that are listed here. So we have the array, but let's see, this Telecom in Italia seems to have 2.72% profit today. So
Yes.
let's check it out.
Okay. Yeah, it's on the rise.
It's on the it's rising, and it's been doing that since the beginning of since morning or thereabout now. So
yeah.
And okay, now let's see. This is where we start. The quantity based on the stock price. Quantity, if it's just one, then the price, the point value, the margin is 0.03.
Yeah.
Which is small.
Too small.
So we can change this to, let's say, 10.
Still too small.
It's still too small. So we can use 100. And the reason why it's small is, look at the value of the assets, 0.49.
Yeah.
So you need to have some good quantity before you can trade for something that will be much profitable.
Yeah.
Now the margin is now 28.3. Now the leverage here is times 20.
Yeah.
This leverage, how it works on most other platforms is they will even put it on 100 for you.
Okay.
And before you know it, your trade has you've entered liquidation if it doesn't go along with what you planned or what you forecasted.
Yeah.
But as it is like this, with 20%, you are very, very safe. And because the asset is rising right now, so we can click buy, and as it is, then we choose our take profit. As I always do, I prefer to come here and add it here. Take profit at this is the
0.48.
This is 0.487. So we can choose let's say 0.65. Okay, or 0.6.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. So let's do 0.51. All right. Then we set that. Then we'll come to stop loss. We'll do, remember the current price is 0.487. So if we do 0.47, no,
that's too low.
That's too low. That is essentially our margin. So we can't use that.
0.35.
No, it will have to be close, like 0.48. Okay, let's do 0.477. Okay, then we set. So as it is, look at the gap for our take profit. Look at the gap for our stop loss. So we can see from here that the price, there will definitely be a crash before we can get to our stop loss, but easily we'll get to our take profit within the next few hours or minutes. So this is basically how we trade this particular stock.
Yeah, so would you advise that people actually monitor it, or maybe you leave it and you come back?
Well, it depends on if you have the time. Though normally for you to trade, you should create time to monitor your trade. It's not trading is not something that you can. If you know you will not have time, it's better you just allow it, unless you are so sure of that trade, of that particular asset that
Can
you
we
need.
actually be sure of anything?
Well, a lot of things are happening. Like if you pick something like Tesla now, and you are anticipating that Elon Musk will make one announcement about
That will
space, all those things.
yeah.
Yes, that will affect it positively. You can set your trade and leave it for waiting for Elon Musk for that announcement. And once that announcement is made, you are sure that it's going to go up. So that is why I always say, always follow the news. Don't trade out of you only see you think. No, always follow the news. Know what is happening if you'll be trading stocks. Stocks is news that you need, information. You need information to trade stock and to be successful in trading stock.
Yeah.
Information is very, very important.
Okay. And there you have it. That is how to trade on stocks using the Polarium broker platform. I like what he said there. Information is very key. We don't try to, promote that people, should trade using luck or, using hope. Everything is based on verifiable data or statistical data that has a reliable chance, of coming true. You should be able to make informed decisions, and you can only do that when you have proper information about that stock, what can potentially happen. Of course, there might be times where, things that are supposed to happen might not go your way, but more than often, you'll be accurate if you follow informed decisions. And if you follow all these steps that we've done here, you can easily just trade on stocks easily using the Polarium broker platform. If you're following us up until this point and you've not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button showing right there on your screen. And you can also follow us on all our social media platforms so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Bye for now.